here's the latest Mustang to come into Unique Specialty and Classics. 1994 Ford Mustang GT Convertible. As you can see, yellow with white interior, white top. Of course, it does have the power top. Top is a nice shape. As you can see, the paint also good condition. Now, this is a well taken care of car. I've been around this one, and if you know where the little, say, stickers are that have the VIN derivative on them, there's one underneath the hood, there's one underneath each door in the trunk for the quarter panels. It appears it is all original sheet metal, so nothing's been replaced. I'll point some of those out as I go to. You can check out the still pictures. You'll be able to look at the little tags underneath the doors to see those, the interior, under the hood, underbody shots. All those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com, or down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on that, that'll take you there. Feel free to call us too, be happy to help you out with this. 507-386-1726. This particular one does have the 4-speed automatic transmission in it, and of course a 5-liter underneath the hood. That's what the GTs would have had in 94 and 95 until they switched to the 4.6-liter modular motor in 96. Again, you can see that the paint on this is a nice shape. And the chrome wheels give it a nice look. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. They came up with a dual cockpit, again, for the SN95 body style. Kind of a throwback to the late 60s, early 70s Mustangs. And they're kind of starting to go just a little bit retro. Went back to the pony and the grill. This body style replaced the long-lived Fox body. As you can see, dual exhaust, wing back here. Again, very nice driver, very nice shape. Get in it, turn the key and go. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course, we can sure assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at. Once again, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on that, that'll take you there. And again, phone number 507-386-1726. Like I said, white top. Top is in nice shape. Does have a glass rear window, not plastic. One thing I was going to show you since I was back here, I was talking about kind of where you can tell it's the original body panels. Here's one of those where it has a VIN derivative on the sticker. That is for that rear quarter. And then there's one over here. That's for that rear quarter. And again, you can see those underneath the door. You can see them underneath the hood. There'll be one on the trunk right up here also. There's another VIN derivative. So that tells you it's all original body panels on this car. I think there's even one on the underside of the bumpers. I know the front one has it. I think it is. It'll show up in the pictures also. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. You see floor mats, carpeting, door panels, everything in nice shape. Let's go ahead. Oh, also one thing about the trunk, there was a CD changer back there I want to let you know about, and I believe the controller is in the center console for that. Let's go ahead and fire this one up. See how that 5-liter sounds. Other thing, as far as miles, approximately 69,000 miles on this one. That is original miles. If you can see that there, 69,153. Dual cockpit concept, and of course you can see the dash is in nice shape, not cracked. Let's slip out the back in here how that 5-liter sounds. Nice little rumble to it. Nothing crazy, no obnoxious aftermarket exhaust put in this one. Just be a nice driver. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. Let you take a look underneath there. Check out the engine bay. I'm going to pause the video here a second so I can put up the prop rod and everything. Might take an extra hand, so give me a second. Let's check out the engine bay. Alright, got the hood propped here. See, nice and tidy underneath the hood and engine bay. There's the 5-liter V8, of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. Oh, and as far as those little stickers saying the original panels up here, one right there, and another one straight across on that side, you can see there. So there you have it, 1994 Ford Mustang GT convertible, yellow on white, 69,000 miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Of course, down below this video in the description, click on that link. That's going to take you to the still pictures. Check this over. Look at how clean it is on the underside. You can also finance with us. You consider trades. And of course, we can assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at. Give us a call. Spring's right around the corner. We don't see this one lasting long.